Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have 2009 Nissan Navara, stock number 6321. This ran from the 9th 2005 to the 12th 2011. It has a VQ40 4-litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a VQ40 4-litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Rear tailgate has 4 dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door 1 dent. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,